VTSV Auto family, we showing you a little love today. Big love. We got a 2022 EVO edition. I think it's awesome. Lamb chop is what we call them. But I thought it was amazing that this car actually got 6 total brake calibers. You got 2 calibers in the rear. Obviously, it's a rear engine vehicle for y'all that know about the Lamborghini, the Bulls. So they have a double stopping power in the back, full ceramic rotors. If you come up front, you know, these are probably 17-inch rotors as well. You know, super dumb big calibers based off of the calibers that y'all see we do here. Obviously, this car needs a lot of stopping power for the high-end speeds that it meets. So if you was to do a brake job, I think it's like $8 grand for the brake job on this car. But this is a nice whip. You know, this is my first time really riding one. A good friend of mine has one, so I actually dropped the truck off for a little maintenance, and he said, you know what, I'm gonna come scoop you up. Didn't know he was gonna be in this. So this is an amazing automobile. I think it looks great. It's a dull day, but it lit me up today, man. And whatever you trying to achieve in life, go get it. I think you can do it. You just gotta have a positive mind state. You gotta put it out in the universe. You know, law of attraction, don't forget that. You know, what you think you are, you will be, you know. So for all of my guys and females and kids that's trying to do big things in life, you know, this is our day to give you motivation. Automatic handles bring you in, but once you come inside, you know, it's a sweet looking car. You know, you can check out the floor mats are all leather, double stitching all the way through. Paddle shifters up top for those guys that really know how to drive these cars, hand shift, like you really can do it. You can really put it to the ground with this car here, man. V10, you see the green, white, red, that's the flag color in Italy. So V10 showing you the firing order at the bottom. Like, I just thought this is an amazing car. Corvette actually went to this design on the latest model Corvette. I definitely want to showcase, obviously, the rear engine. V10, beautiful motor. Look how clean it is. It's a brand new car. But also, I would like to showcase the exhaust work. Beautiful design of exhaust work that you could just peep in and look at those exhaust. You know, that's clean. That's clean. Baggage claim was riding in it, and I was telling my guy, like, I could see how they would put like a sub. Like, if you wanted to add subs in it, you probably could add the subs behind the rear seat. You know, because it got like, obviously you would need a shallow, but it's just my mind, you know, automatically when I get in something, I can kind of see little ways you can kind of add little touches, but this is a badass whip, man. All of the switches up top differentiate the height of the front, so it sits so low, if you ever go over a speed bump, you can hit one of those buttons and it'll kind of lift up the front. So, you know, the ingenuity that went into the car was amazing. You know, when you buy a car like this, they really sell it to you. You know, these are the right hats to get, you know, so. Yeah, man, we doing it today, man. This Motivation Tuesday. On a gloomy day, we trying to motivate, baby, not player hate. All of my big brothers motivate me to kind of push a little harder. You know, every now and then they say if you sit around the right people, eventually you'll become one of them. So that's what we trying to do, guys. Elevate, motivate, appreciate, dominate. This January 2022, man. It's the start of the year. You see what's going on. This is where we headed to, man. We taking on bigger challenges. We looking forward to helping y'all out in bigger ways. Y'all give us a chance, man. VTSV Auto, let's go. Shout out to my big homie, man, that came by to check on us just to make sure we got our act together. We acting our age up here and we putting out good products. So appreciate the big homie, man. VTSV Auto, y'all come with us, man. We do this.